Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. Okay, you see it's looking beautiful to me and I like it. Let's see how we can create this thing. Okay, at first we need our text, our blank space. You can format background and from here you can insert your picture and then apply it to the picture to go to background. Then for this thing we just need a blank rectangle you can create from here, black rectangle. It's nothing complicated. Then you need to go to this page. How we go here and how we create this thing. Creating this thing is little easy and little hard. Let's try to create it. For that we need to insert a text box, write R in it, select it, go with impact, increase it in size to 560 I think, if I'm not wrong, a little wrong. Okay, it crashed again. I don't know why it's crashing. Maybe because of lacking RAM or CPU. Then we go to align and align its middle. You see now we need to decrease in its size. Select it, decrease. It's good. Now we need to add this effect. For adding the effect, we create a shape. We zoom in to set the shape to perfect match. Then select the shape and the picture and format them. Okay, this is good. Now the thing we need to do is that we need to cut that and paste it here. We need to cut that and paste it here. But we need to format the shape and set it to a slide background. And we need to move this Roman text. We need to move this text from the top or not. Okay. After that, we need to make the last slide. For creating the last slide, let me just copy that and paste it here. For creating the last slide, we need to copy this thing, bring it back, bring it up. We must bring it up here. Let's do this. Bring it to here and then just copy the text that you created and paste it. This is some easy text and we paste it. Let me align it a little more and select all of them and set the transition to morph. Now let the magic happen. You see it's looking pretty amazing and we do a lot of work. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can find many of them in my channel. Until then, have a nice time.